Hello guys, welcome to this quick video with Stanley Chima. So I just want to show you how to make comments in Python. Alright, so let's say line 30, I want to comment that out. I'll simply come to the beginning and then put in this my hash sign. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, so I've successfully commented that. So you can do the same thing for different lines, but let's say you have a lot of lines, like 20 to 30 lines you wanted to comment. You can't come and be doing this one after the other. That wouldn't be productive at all. So what you do is, let me go ahead and undo all this. So what you do is to simply come to the beginning of the line. So I want to comment from line 30 to line 39, let's see. So I will just come here and select this, and then, but there is also another way you can make your selection. If you just come to the beginning and put your mouse there, then you hold down the shift key and come to where you want the selection to end, and simply left click once, then it all select. Then once you are done with that, you go ahead and remove your hand from the shift key and then do Ctrl /. Alright, so that makes the comment. And so the same thing, if you still want to uncomment it, do the same thing, select it all and press the same Ctrl /. Alright guys, so this is how you make comment in Python, and thank you guys for watching. My name is Stanley Chima. If you got a value from the video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you're meeting my channel for the first time on YouTube, make sure to subscribe, and more of these will be coming. Alright.